Hey guys, here's a Monte Carlo Vios ceiling fan. I got this fan on OfferUp, and so models 4VOR60PND. So the reason why I got this because I love these fans, because my girlfriend actually has one in her living room, and it's a pretty long down rod. I don't know how many feet it is, but so yeah, I have it comes with a 2-in-1 remote, so basically it can be a wall transmitter or a handheld remote. And I have the handheld remote configuration because I am testing this like I'm testing it like I don't know. So because I'm temporarily have it up here, but later maybe I take it down. But I will probably unwire the. Oh, I could easily unwire the light, because when I do the configuration with no light, I'll probably take off the lights and see how it looks without the light. And it's a really neat fan. It's really modern looking, brings off a modern, sleek design. So yeah. Anyways. And here's low. I like how it looks on low speed. It just looks really neat. The first time I saw this fan is in a 2013 Monte Carlo catalog. But this fan appears the most in the 2011 Monte Carlo fan catalog. And that's a catalog that I really want, because this fan's on here. And I'm glad to own it. The spec sheet's at 120, but looking at it in person, it just seemed a little slower. I don't know why, but I think it's probably new in the box and it hasn't been ran yet, so I'm probably going to let it run for a while. So it's about low. It's got a really nice low speed to it, like I said. Medium. Here's the light. And this is my favorite speed in general, even for this fan. My girlfriend actually likes using, actually her dad just puts it on a lot. Well, her dad likes medium speed, just like me. But I use the fan but he uses it like only sometimes, but I like using the fan a lot. You can hear a little bearing noise. It's new in the box fans, has been ran. It was also pretty dry out and pretty cold, stormy. And it's already blowing a lot of air. It's about medium. Here's high. Making a little noise too, wobbles a little. What did I do with the balancing kit? Came with the balancing kit, but I don't know what to do with it. There's a lot of things around. Oh, lock washer. I lost the lock washer there. Came with 3 extra spare screws in case if I lose one. I don't want to lose a lock washer because I don't want the blade to get loose. And I want to keep all the parts of this fan. It's moving a ton of air. It spins pretty slow, but it's moving a ton of air. Doing 120 RPMs. Maybe 117. But the catalog says 106, but it's not accurate. $106 would be a little slower. And let's do our flow test. Let's put it close to the fan. It actually might be 114. It's as fast as a Fanimation Aviston. Which I really want to find a Fanimation Aviston. They're a really neat twist. Top view of the fan. I don't feel a breeze directly under it, but I feel a breeze like right here. Breeze direct. All right, so let's stop it. Spin down time is going to be pretty quick. I'm going to have to let it run. I'm going to leave a couple lights on for security light while I run this. And that's it for this. So let's reverse it. Here comes Santa Claus playing upstairs. Mom might be watching TV. That's TV commercial. Medium. Reverse. And high. And let's reverse it. I'll turn the light on. That is it. That is the Monte Carlo Vios ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.